So today I will show how to clean the backpack vacuum and how to operate the backpack vacuum. Okay. So it's called backpack vacuum. Backpack means the one bag we have also, like some people use for traveling. Backpack it's called. Same like this also. You can keep your shoulder. Then easily you can keep. This is made for the high level dusting. Okay. So down floor, so we can use normal vacuum. This one only for the high level dusting. We can clean easily. It's like the ceiling, so we have to keep ceiling cleaning with the vacuum. So we can put like a backpack. Then you can go up and you can clean this one. Okay. So this is the nozzle. So we can remove this one. Okay. There is one lock here. Okay. So this lock, when you will fix this one, so this lock should be like this. Okay. And this one also 360 angle. So if you are see your bag is back side, vacuum is back side, so you want to clean this side or that side, so you can move easily, very easily you can move this one. It will not go until it will come completely this side, then you can remove this one. Okay, first this one. Then second, now there is two lock. One is here. Okay, so one is this side. Okay, then this cover you can easily remove. Okay, this cover. Then second, this is garbage bag. Okay, this garbage bag you cannot use this one. See, this is use and throw garbage bag, so we can use after it's finished, is full, then we can throw this one. Okay, this is bag. This is also the bag. Then after, see, this bag once is full, then here have one sticker. You can remove this one. Okay, then you can stick like this. So all dust will come inside, not will go outside. Okay, because it's not full, that's why I'm not okay, understand, no? Like this. Then after you keep back, first you keep it inside this one, then you keep inside, it will be press. Okay, then see, now if you want to close this one, so this side have one mark. Okay, arrow mark is this side, and same also is this side. So this arrow marks or arrow marks, it should be equal. Okay, so it will be equal, then you can lock this one from both sides. Okay, then you can put the pipe again. Okay, so you can carry also like this, because this is very not heavy weight, it's very lightweight, and this is for your shoulder. Okay, this two you can put in your shoulder, and this one for you can tie from here, so it will not go anywhere, not fall down or something. And second thing, this vacuum also one benefit of, there have one switch. Okay, and this is the cable for electricity. So what happens, your wire is going like this, so your backpack is here. So if you want to off, so you cannot go that side. Okay, like you are on the ladder, you are cleaning upside, so if you want, you are alone. Okay, if you want to off, so you cannot come down and you can go there, it will take too much time. Okay, that's why they give one switch here, so easily you can on and off the vacuum also. Okay, then next, this side also having lock, so completely I can remove this one. Okay, this one remove. Then this is primary filter. Sometimes Dilip also asking which kind of filter this one. This is called primary filter. Okay, this one you can clean. And second, there is two side lock. You can open this one. Then this is second filter. It's called exhaust filter. Okay, this is exhaust filter. Then you can clean this. Okay, so this filter. The same like this also. So this area you can keep like this. Then you can lock this one. This. Okay, so same If you want to clean, you can remove from here, remove the bed, then same, there have one mark, this mark would like this, fix. Okay, understand all people?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So it's called backpack vacuum. So you can use it easily you can use, and you can clean also very easily, and not like too much heavy. So because the floor vacuum is too much heavy, no? So you have to bring with you, or it's heavy little bit, but this is very light. Then you can easily, it's made for up side dusting only, no? You can clean upside ceiling or anything you can clean.
So you have this kind of garbage bin, vacuum
I will check. I don't know we have or
bin?
not,
Because I'm
but
not seeing
we should
it.
have there in the store. Okay.